Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate developer mode in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser launches and you can see your homepage or any tab you have open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a menu icon there represented by three horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on this menu icon to reveal a drop-down list of options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a submenu with additional extension-related features. In the submenu that pops up, look for and click on Manage Extensions. This action will take you to a new page dedicated to managing all your browser extensions. This is where you can view, enable, disable, or remove extensions, and importantly, this is also where you can access developer mode. Once you're on the extensions management page, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see an option labeled developer mode with a toggle switch right beside it. This toggle is what controls whether developer mode is active or not. Go ahead and toggle the switch on. You'll notice the toggle changes color or position to indicate that developer mode is now enabled. Activating this mode unlocks several powerful features that are typically hidden from regular users. It allows you to load unpacked extensions, test experimental features, and access developer tools that are essential for anyone creating or testing browser extensions. And that's it. You've successfully activated developer mode in Brave browser, giving you access to advanced extension management capabilities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.